We'll place our strips along the edge. So you'll need a little bit of the decoupage glue, just a light coating. And then you want to place that strip right along the edge and just slightly overlap and pull it nice and straight. And then we'll piece in another piece. A little bit more of the glue, just a light coating. And match that up. Now if it doesn't match exactly, you might want to trim it a tiny bit with your scissor. Just till you get a pretty perfect match. I'm just taking off a very tiny sliver of the paper just so I can get those ends to match. And you kind of just very slightly overlapping. And tack that down. And then trim. And then we'll put our strip along the bottom edge. A little bit of glue. This will cover up any unevenness that we had along the bottom, along the edge. We'll just cover that unevenness up. Okay, just continue around the piece until you've put the border all the way around.